In this part, I'm going to tell you how to do regression analysis or correlation. Correlation actually is more complicated, but it's more reliable. So what you need is you take these numbers, copy. For example, you are going to take these choice values and you're going to relate them with the grand total of each. Actually, I did it for the whole table. You don't have to do it like that. So we'll take it like that. Copy, paste, copy one by one and paste. I really recommend you to use this one because sometimes this give different values. So you take this one, copy and paste here, and one by one for each one, for each time interval, or you just can sum up all of them and do just one graph or one value, one regression. It will be much easier. And this one, for me, it didn't give me good results, so I don't recommend you to do this. It really gives bad results, so it's not good. It wasn't good, and not it didn't give correlation. There was no correlation at all, so I don't recommend you using the grand values of each. I mean, of all of them. You have to use each of them one by one. So you'll choose this table like this that you have done. You choose label in first row. This actually, if you have these labels in the first row, new worksheet. Okay. There is a problem. This. Okay. So it gives us this relation. So you choose NaCH here. These are not important. You just can delete them. They are not important at all. You take this number. These are the correlations of the final correlation results. If you take them, for example, here and paste them, so it gives different correlation result. To test this correlation, if they are good or not, you have to go data analysis again, regression. Okay, so you choose the first row, for example is this one, and you choose the second row, this one, and labels and confidence interval. You can choose 95 or 90, whatever, and then you choose, click OK. So from this table you will see significance. This is the important number. This number, if it is 0.01 less than, where is less than? Okay, no, and less than 0.05. So this is the significance high results. If this number is smaller, for example in this case, it's not significant, it's not good, but you don't have to mention this. So if it's less than 0.05, for example, if this number you find it, for example, 0.001, like that, and I don't think it's possible. It didn't appear from any of my results. So it lies in this part, less than 0.01, so you give it 2 stars. So you go to this sheet, go to this number, and you put here, you can remove all of these and just click 2 stars like that. In this case, actually it's not significant. I didn't find it significant, so you just leave it as not significant, and this means there is no correlation between um, there's no correlation between this one and this one. There is no correlation, and the correlation value is 0.21, but it's not correlated. If it's less, if the correlation significance is less than 0.05, so you just put 1 star, and it's this. You will create correlation final values like that. Each one of them is a correlation, and I have some stars here. You can see them in the presentation. So for example, this one is significant at 0.05, so it's one star, and this one is more stronger correlated. For example, you see here in this table 0.392 is more correlated. In these cases it's more correlated, so we have correlation between normalized values of integration R800 at elder from 8 to 10. We have high significance here. We have high significance also in the grand total of 18 to 20 in 0.37 in integration R800 with the value 0.37. That's it. For the last thing I wanted to show you is, if you don't have the data analysis tab here, you have to go to files, options, add-ins. It will take several times, then it will open. You choose manage, Excel, go, analysis tool pack. You have to check this, and okay, you will have this. You can do the regression or the correlation. You just need the correlation. You take these values, and as long as these values are for example, negative gives negative value, so they are related, but we didn't check the significance, so they are related, but for example 0.05, it's not good relation. For good relation it has to be more than 0.65, and the significance, so high correlation value is this one. High correlation value is 0.65, and degree of significance, for example 0.05, 1 star significance. Oh, 0.05 takes 1 star. Significance 2 stars is less than 0.01. This is less than. No. That's it.